The machine is suitable to do the flake chewing gum product. The full production line is consist of this integrator, gum oven, mixer, extruder, rolling machine, foaming machine and cooling conveyor, and chewing gum packing machine. The line is automatically controlled by PLC program with hygienic design, powerful functions, compact and reasonable structure and beautiful appearance. It is an ideal equipment for the production of chewing gum for large and medium-sized food enterprises. We have more than 25 years on the food and packing machinery industry, and we make top quality machines only. Welcome to contact us.